On this week's news update, scientists find a new way to count seals. The world's first drone jump. And goats that climb trees. First up, scientists have been using a new way to estimate how many grey seals live along the coast of New England in the USA. For nearly 100 years, grey seals here were hunted until there were very few left. Since the 1970s, conservation work has helped seal numbers grow, but researchers have found it difficult to estimate how many there are. A new study used Google Earth satellite images to count seals on beaches over a number of years. This was combined with information from tagged seals. And incredibly, it's now thought there are between 30,000 and 50,000 grey seals living in the area. Next up, this man has completed the world's first drone jump. A drone is an unmanned aircraft. And in Latvia, in Europe, this daredevil was lifted into the sky before letting go and parachuting back to Earth. It's not just for fun though. These drones are designed to carry heavy loads. And it's hoped they could have many different uses, from helping with rescue operations to putting out fires. And finally, it's wacky science. What animals might you find in trees? Birds? Monkeys? What about goats? In some parts of Morocco, in North Africa, the climate is dry and there aren't many plants for these goats to eat. So they need to use their climbing skills to find food. Here, they're eating fruit from the top of argan trees. And researchers have discovered that after the goats have eaten the fruit, they spit out the seeds. This helps to spread the seeds far apart, which means they have lots of space to grow into new trees. So the goats' climbing skills are pretty useful for them and for the trees. That's all for this week. We'll see you next time.